Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to talk about COPE, or the Committee on Publication Ethics. COPE is a non-profit organization whose mission is to define, quote, best practices in the ethics of scholarly publishing and to assist editors, publishers, etc. in achieving this, unquote. This highly regarded organization was established in 1997. It now has over 12,000 members worldwide covering many fields. Membership is open to editors of peer-reviewed academic journals and the publishers of those journals. Through their efforts, COPE seeks to educate editors and those involved in ethical issues in publication about the many challenges facing them in a fast-moving and sometimes blurred world. COPE publishes a newsletter and organizes seminars. It also offers a forum to discuss case examples. COPE has created an audit tool for members to, quote, measure compliance with its core practices and guidance in the form of flowcharts, discussion documents, guidelines, and e-learning modules, unquote. Their flowcharts are particularly well done and valuable. I encourage everyone to look into COPE at publicationethics.org to understand the myriad of issues they address and use them as a resource in this increasingly complex world. Well, that's it. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, and individuals on a host of content-related challenges. Reach out to me at riverwindsconsulting.com with your questions. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel or click on the link to see my video on FundRef. And make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much and take care.